everyone, welcome back to Georgie's Vacuum Cleaners and Skateboarding. Today we're going to be vacuuming the upstairs with the Bush multi-cyclonic bagless cylinder vacuum cleaner in a very nice white colour. My sister will be here to do a little bit part in a minute. So we're going to clean my bedroom and then all the living rooms. So right now, we're going to be doing it right now. Hopefully no one distracts the video. So we're going to just start vacuuming now. We'll do a proper, better review, like showing all the bits and that. We won't be showing you the upholstery today because I can't find them. So here we go. So that's the living room done. We'll just pause the video so my sister can hoover the main landing, which gets very dirty very quickly. So guys, my sister will be doing part 2 of this video, which will be basically hoovering the downstairs and the stairs with this hoover, with the turbo brush and that, if I find them. So I'll have to be filming me hoover this bit. So let's just get started. I want to reduce the suction a bit. So let's just turn that on. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, it's hard to push a little bit. Hard to push. But I've got the suction release valve on, so it'll help a little bit. It's hard doing it one-handed. So it'll be pretty easy doing it both-handed. Oh. It's very hard. It's super. Come on. There. Hoover's stuck in the corner. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it's skipping a little bit. So that's the end of our video today. Please like and subscribe. Make sure to watch all of our vlogs and videos and shorts. We'll be doing as many videos as possible to make you guys know that we're doing videos and not, hopefully. So, see you later, Georgie's Vacuum Cleaners and Skateboarding. Bye guys.